Hey, how's it going? I'm Andy. I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about my new chiro, Dr. Minond. Um, he kind of helped me with some chronic, sciatic pains. It's pretty bad because all my regular doctor ever really did for me, was kind of basically sympathize with my pains and then prescribe me some pain pills. That was about the extent of what my doctor ever really did for me. My sciatic pains were getting pretty bad. We were getting to the point where it was really hard for me to work a full day's work, and I do construction, so I'm out, I'm on my feet, I'm bending over, I'm doing things all the time that it was getting to a point where it really was it was really hard to go through a full day's worth of work because of the constant pains that I was dealing with. So I ended up I started seeing Dr. Minond, and he was great because he took the time to to really fully understand kind of what my problems were, what I was having the real issues with. He's very friendly, extremely knowledgeable, knew pretty much everything he would ever need to know, obviously, about any sort of back pains that I was dealing with. And probably after what would have been 2 weeks or so, I had already noticed extreme difference in it, that a lot of my pains were really subsided. Things were really on a minimal scale as far as any of the pains I was dealing with on daily basis. It really did really kind of held loosen me up. It really helped kind of get my body back into tune. And I mean, we were talking within a month. I was having no pains whatsoever. I was pretty much healed, for a lack of better words. And now I just kind of now I pretty much just kind of see him on kind of a regular basis, with any problems that kind of arise, or just to kind of keep me in line, kind of keep things in a progressive state, to keep me from ever really having any more of those problems. The last thing, I would highly recommend, Dr. Minond to anybody, to anybody that's having any sort of, chronic back pain problems or sciatic problems. The guy knows, everything there is to know, and he's going to be able to help you in an extremely fast, fashion. It was, like I said, it was within a month. I was to the point where, I felt like, a new man. I felt like I was having literally no pains anymore. So, just kind of want to kind of thank Dr. Minond. He did beyond great work. Definitely the best chiropractor I've ever seen in the New York area. So it definitely, if anybody out there that's having any sort of chronic back pain problems or sciatic problems that they just really can't get over, definitely give Dr. Minond a call. Set up an appointment. Go in and talk to him a little bit. Kind of let him kind of maybe go over some of the things with you, maybe some of the things that are really happening, some of the things that are really causing the problems, and I'm going to guarantee he's going to be able to help you just like he helped me. So once again, I just want to kind of give another thanks to Dr. Minond. You do great work. Obviously you'll continue to see me whenever I am having problems. So once again, just want to say thanks.